Unable to change Chrome theme, it only changed the top bar. As you see here the problem, I want the whole theme, the entire window to be light, but it only changed the top bar. As you see here under the appearance mode, you have light, dark and device. I want to be light. So even if you refresh, you see the same result. How to resolve this? You have the Chrome theme, and what you see in the result is the theme of your account. So to change this, you have to go to your account and then more settings, and then come here other settings. As you see here, dark theme default device, and it can be anything. So change it manually to what you want. So dark theme on, off, device default. So dark theme off. When you confirm, it changes. If you go back to the result or search something else, for example, coding Aqianos. Now you see here the result also in light. If you want dark, you can do the same thing for dark or device theme. The same thing is on YouTube. For example, if I click here on YouTube, go to home, go under your account, and then here you have appearance, which is dark. And if you want it also to be light, you can select it light theme or use device theme. Example, I want to be light, so now it is light. So in conclusion, in Chrome, the theme works based on your account. It is not like when you change the Chrome theme that it will also change your account theme. And the theme for your account, everywhere that you logged in with that account, this theme will get applied. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, and being around. Have great times.